on site today at House Mildar, where we will be undertaking a maintenance service called annual maintenance. We urge our clients to opt for the service every 3 years, if not yearly. Through annual maintenance, we prolong the need for timber to be renewed completely. And this is in essence what we will be doing at House Mildar. Before we come to site to undertake maintenance, we urge our clients to remove delicate or valuable items, but we will assist our clients with larger or heavier furniture where required if they cannot do this themselves. To initiate the annual maintenance treatment, our team will be getting rid of all the dirt buildup and residues within the timber's protective surface just before it receives an overcoat. The overcoat we will be using is called satin oil and will take approximately 2 hours to dry. So our clients will be able to walk on these floors in approximately 2 hours. This measured area has been cleaned already. Our team will now be mechanically buffing on the oil product. You will notice that there's almost no sound, and this process is dustless, so we have undisturbed, happy clients, especially neighbors. So once the product is mechanically buffed on, we ensure that there's best penetration and even spread, and the oil is dry. We will then return the furniture to the measured area once we're done. So if you guys want to get into contact with us, you will be able to find us on villagetimber.com, also on Facebook and Instagram, links down below.